Welcome to AutoAcars, your go-to place for the latest car news and updates. Today, we're diving into the full details of the 2025 Tesla lineup, what's new, what's improved, and what makes these electric cars more exciting than ever. 1. Tesla Model S 2025. The Tesla Model S remains Tesla's luxury powerhouse. In 2025, it features improved performance, range, and software. Range: over 405 miles on a single charge. Speed: the Plaid version hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in the world. Interior: the yoke-style steering wheel, a sharp 17-inch display, and immersive sound system. Self-driving: enhanced full self-driving (FSD) software that's closer than ever to full autonomy. 2. Tesla Model 3 Highland 2025. Tesla's most affordable sedan just got a major refresh in 2025, known as the Model 3 Highland. Sleeker design with sharper headlights and a cleaner rear. Improved range and better ride comfort. More soundproofing for a quieter cabin. A redesigned interior with ambient lighting and a rear touchscreen for passengers. 3. Tesla Model Y 2025. The best-selling electric SUV in the world keeps getting better. Dual motor and performance variants available. Range of up to 330 miles. Now with optional ventilated seats, new color options, and improved suspension for a smoother ride. 4. Tesla Cybertruck. Yes, it's finally out. The Cybertruck launched in late 2024 and will dominate 2025. Unique stainless steel body, over 340 miles of range. Insane durability and off-road capability. The dual and tri-motor variants offer blazing fast acceleration for a truck 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds for the high-end version. 5. Tesla Roadster expected late 2025. Tesla plans to bring back the Roadster in late 2025 or early 2026. 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Expected range: over 600 miles. SpaceX-inspired performance with cold gas thrusters might be an option. Bonus: Tesla's AI and software upgrades. All 2025 Teslas are running on Tesla OS V12, offering the best Autopilot yet. You get better voice commands, smarter navigation, and more safety alerts. Plus, over-the-air updates mean your Tesla keeps improving even after you buy it. Final thoughts: Tesla in 2025 is all about speed, range, tech, and style. Whether you're into sedans, SUVs, trucks, or supercars, Tesla has something to offer. Thanks for watching. If you love car content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoAcars for more exciting updates every week.